Hello friends, welcome to CA Astrology. So today I am going to share a Prashna technique with you using numerology techniques, using Vedic and Naadi techniques and using Vedic combinations also. All three of them I am going to combine together and tell you about how we can analyze a Prashna or how we can give answer to the native who comes and ask a question from you. It's a very wonderful technique. Understand the concepts, understand the theory behind it, how you have to analyze Prashna Kundali. So before I begin my video, I pray to Lord Ganesha and Lord Shanidev help us learn this divine knowledge. So welcome to my channel CA Astrology. So this is a chart. So this is a chart I have written in South Indian. So this is a chart I have written in South Indian format. I'll write in North Indian format also. But before that, I am going to tell you that this native called me in the today morning at 23rd of September 2024, and the timing when he called me was 11:51 a.m. in the morning. 11:51 a.m. This is the time when this person called me. So what I am going to do first, before casting the chart according to Prashna Kundali, add this 1 and 1 2, 2 and 5 7 and 1 8. So one digit number comes to 8. That means when this person called me at that time, particular that time, it was 11:51 a.m. He called me on this particular time. So when I add this number according to numerology, it comes to number 8. So number 8 in Kal Purush Kundli. Now I'm mixing 2-3 things here. Numerology, from numerology I jump to Vedic astrology. In Kal Purush Kundli is always fixed 2578. So that means his question will be related to some ups and downs, or there would be some problem. That will be his question. Now, when I casted the chart according to the Vedic systems, the Lagna at this time also came number 8. So here I'll write ascendant, because in South India chart we start from number 1 here. Ascendant is number 8, and accordingly I will place the planets, all the planets hurriedly. Moon is here in in number 9, in number 10, number 11. Saturn is here, which is retro. Number 12, 1. Here it is Rahu, 2 and 3. Mars, 4, 5, 6. Ketu, Sun and Mercury. Number 7, Venus. So this is the Prashna chart which I casted on 23rd September. This is the Prashna chart which I casted on 23rd September 2024, 11:51 a.m. So in both the cases, you can see at the time of question number 8, single digit means there is some problem. She will ask the question something related to problem. In Lagna also number 8 is coming. This is our ascendant. I will write here ascendant. This is the ascendant. Ascendant is also number 8. So now the question of that female, she is a female who called me. Her question is that she is running a YouTube channel, but the channel is not growing as per her expectations. So this is her question. So beforehand we could just visualize that at the time of question there was number 8. There is some ups and downs or problems related to question, and in Lagna also there is number 8. So the question relates to something up and down in her life. The second step what we are going to follow is, we will see the lord of this sign, who is Mars, because in the natal chart there is number 8 sign in the Lagna. This is very important when we analyze the Prashna chart. The lord of this Lagna means the lord of this sign is Mars, who has gone to the 8th house in the sign of Mercury. So now we are going to relate few things. Mercury, number 3 sign, relates to media and communication. So her question relates simply to the media and communication field. Because Lagna Lord is placed in number 3 sign, her question was related that my YouTube channel is not running. So YouTube channel is a media and communication thing where you communicate with people and try to gain name and fame. This is the second step, how you are going to correlate the question with planets and with signs. Now the third step, her question is that her YouTube channel is not growing as per her expectations. So for growth, this is a public dealing process, because YouTube channel, people watch your YouTube channel, they watch your videos, and after that they give you likes and all those things. So that is related to public. So this is the house we are going to focus on. Why this house? Because 8 number sign Lord is Mars. From Mars, the 4th house is public. This is a different technique of Prashna Kundli, but it is a very important technique. It relates numerology, it relates Vedic astrology, it also relates Vedic and Naadi techniques. So 4th house from Mars, because this was the question. The Lord of Lagna is Mars. 4th house from Mars is gain from public. So now we will correlate with the third step, that why her channel is not growing, what was the reason behind it. First, when you take this as 4th house, there is 6 number sign, the direction is 6 number. Here also you can see the direction is 6 number, and sorry about this, I have not written Saturn here. And Saturn is retrograde. When Saturn is retrograde, it aspects or it shows his presence in the 10 number sign also. So when it comes in the 10 number sign, it will make a directional contact with 4th house from Mars, means 6, 10 and 2. These are the directional signs. So third step, we are going to correlate with the question. Saturn delays things, Saturn is obstruction, Saturn is trouble. 4th from Mars, gains from public, that is not coming as per her expectations. So here Saturn is giving delays, Saturn is giving hurdles. So now what is the answer to this question? Because Mercury has just entered this sign and it has become exalted. So for name and fame, exalted Mercury is very important. So you can give answer to this question that from now onwards your channel will start growing, because 4th from Mars, exalted Mercury has already entered there. Jupiter is also expecting this Mercury and channel will start growing. But for full growth of the channel, you have to wait until this Saturn turns direct and he enters back into Aquarius sign. From Aquarius, he is not going to make relation with the 4th house from Mars. So this is the question. So this was the question of that female. How you're going to analyze the things according to the timing of question, according to Vedic astrology method, according to Nadi techniques. All three of them I have combined here. So this is all for today. It's a very small video about Prashna Kundli. Hope everybody is fine and well. I'll end my session here today. Thank you very much. Have a good day.